Hello, class. I just want to do a little quick hello, quick little video just to touch base. Talk about a couple things going on this week. So, first of all, with Module 5, the accessibility module, um, if you've already started the quiz or you're about to, I just want to make sure you're aware that I'm not super stressed about right or wrong answers as much as the explanation you put behind it. So, kind of what I'm looking at and what I'm provide feedback on is just how we're looking at accessibility. One of the things about accessibility is it's not so much a black and white issue of absolutely accessible versus absolutely not. It's more what we want to pay attention to. It's starting up a dialogue of what could be improved, or is this a pretty good enough, whatever it happens to be, whether it's a video or whatever. So a good enough item to use. So in regards to the quiz, same thing's going to go on there. That there's going to be a lot of opportunity for you to explain why you think something is accessible versus it's not, or things that you'd be looking out for. So that's what we're going to be looking for is just make sure that you're explaining your reasoning basically, and then I'll try to provide some feedback based on that. If there's something that you're missing maybe, or if you're sometimes people are a little too strict. So anyhow, I'll try to provide feedback in that way. As far as the discussions going on in Module 6 right now, y'all are doing a wonderful job. I just want to point that out because I'm not being super active in this one. I'm not responding to each and every one of your individual posts because you're doing it fine for each other. And I'm just trying to go in there and see if there's something that really needs to be addressed, if somebody had a question, if they had a concern, that kind of thing. So I'm trying to jump in those cases, but I just want to make sure that you knew I am looking over all of your stuff. Other than that, also in Module 6, we have the CDM. So we're going to be looking for alignment with the learning activities. Note that we're not doing practice yet. Practice will be next week. So as far as the learning activities, which is essentially just presenting the material to the students, I'm going to make sure that you have alignment with each of the module objectives. So making sure that every module objective has been taught before we have the students practice, before we assess them on it. So that's what we're looking for this week. And if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. I'm here to help.